Out here today at Munford High School. Their football field sign has stopped working. They have some replacement parts they're providing. Trying to get this knocked out by graduation, which is happening on Thursday. Let me hop up in the lift and we'll get it started.
Diving into this sign, getting the first couple panels taken off, and I already spot the first problem. That silver piece you're seeing there is a power supply, and whoever replaced it last just left it hanging by the wires and didn't bother mounting it back. So what I'm doing now is pulling that one off because that one was actually bad, and I'm going to be swapping in a new one. And I'm just taking a couple extra panels off just to take a deeper look into this sign. I didn't originally install this sign. It was installed roughly 15 or 16 years ago. They called me in because I'm local and they were on a bit of a time crunch because today's Tuesday and they're having graduation on Thursday and really needed the sign up and going. Before I mounted the power supply back in the cabinet, I just went ahead and pulled a few more panels off to trace some more wires and figure out how they had originally set this sign up. Once I had a rough idea of how everything was set up, I started removing some more panels so I could physically inspect all of the power supplies and the video splitters, making sure to test everything as I went just to verify it was good and make sure they wouldn't have any problems in the future.
Guess which one doesn't have any lights on it?
No. It's all better now.
I bet it is too.
Boom, baby, we're back in action. Finally got an image displaying on the board. Now I'm just going through and getting all the panels fully attached back in and everything tucked away. That way we can call this a successful day.
Got the sign up and going. They're good to go for graduation on Thursday. It's a little after 5 o'clock. Gonna go ahead and call it a day for today. Tomorrow I'll be back here just doing a little cleanup on the rack that they have all the equipment for that board housed in and just pulling a bunch of old equipment out. That way we can get them cleaned up, set up correctly, and make sure they have years of trouble-free service going forward.